And right next to Savage Beast too. Oh, we're gonna win. I can feel it.
Let the games begin.
If we can get in, Jesus.
I'm
Waiting on
sorry.
your ass, apparently. Yeah. Oh, okay, wait. No, just because I said it, you're fucking in, asshole.
It's not about winning, it's about fun.
What's that?
Fun is when
Oh, also, Mike, I don't like the sweeper shit.
Oh no!
it's
Fucking
kinda
drone.
Want the sweeper?
sorta like a
Yeah, the sweeper.
what is fun?
Yeah, I said I recommend the.
Let me spell it for you. Friends who do stuff together.
Let's go.
O is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime and all.
It's completely idiotic.
Whoa, where did I get? Oh wow. This is bad, Eric. This is bad.
Why is this bad?
We're just knifing people behind us. Alright, I got one pinged on the stairs for you, and that's bad.
What? How do you get the perfect game?
Yeah, that was kind of nuts. Oh, you got the active ping, but careful to your left.
Do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime and all.
Nice one. Repelling here.
Oh, how is he still alive? Thank you. Jesus.
Nice.
The last two kills, all three of them were with pistols.
Record time. Ooh, wow. Ooh.
Oh! Damn!
Oh. Wow, that was. Wow.
I don't know what his name, but damn.
That's him right there. It's not jury.
Juries? I don't know. Not juries?
Whatever.
Alright, well, let's bang down. Commander. Props to him.
Holy shit. I mean, what makes it worse is I've definitely been on the side of the Blackbeard who's just, poked a hole through and there's a gun staring at you on the other side. But he led the jackal to death. That's the thing. I feel like whenever we play this map and it's part of the recording, you need to cross out coastline and just write where's the stairs.
But people keep closing this shit. You got lucky the first round, bitch.
Upstairs.
Oh!
Just do it, just go.
I'm trying to revive him.
Run. So, I was playing a game in.
Did you see that?
Yeah, that was yeah. In it was that week one last week at work, and I was playing on Cafe Dostoevsky.
Going on that? Great.
Oh my god. Out the fucking window? Literally?
She's still out the window, yeah. Now she's broken the whole thing down. Just come in.
My aim?
Nice.
Middling?
If I had to guess, Bandit is still in the room she was looking into, that bathroom that's got the hatch from above. That's what he was before.
No, he's all
Crickets?
He's all lit. Oh, alright, he's right there. He's pink to your left. Got him. Well done.
That was a 4-piece player.
Yep.
By harassed, I mean baited hard. I'm gonna pop the window next to you.
Ow! Man, yokai. Let me take out the damn yokai, man.
No way.
And his teammate.
Oh,
just-
ha, ha. Teammate behind you. Man, I can't believe that wasn't a headshot. Ooh.
The pancake! To the right.
He's to your right.
Wow.
Nice.
He probably wasn't even up there.
I don't think he was either. I think he was down. Yep.
Yep.
Jesus.
Good shit.
He must have been pissed. Like,
And video clip right there.